Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nubian Princess. If you don't know who I am a black female who likes to vlog and basically document my life and post it on the social media world. I like to do that because there's a lot of people that are probably facing the same thing that I'm facing. So I just like to be, helpful and just let you know what it is that I'm going through, because you might be facing the same thing and you might be able to relate. So if you're interested in my vlogs or interested in getting to know me as a person, or interested in seeing my child's development, also how it is being a first-time mom. I'm 8 months postpartum. Also, I had lock extensions and I was also pregnant. So I have my pregnancy journey, I have my lock extensions journey. Now I'm doing a natural hair journey. I have my hair loose or whatever. And then I also have postpartum and just my child's development, a whole bunch of vlogs on different things. Like I said, it's documenting my life. So if you're interested in following up and knowing what's, I got going on, please make sure you like, subscribe, and get your membership, which is only $2.99. The difference between just liking and subscribing and following my page and getting a subscription or membership for $2.99 is the videos that I post on the subscriptions are going to be longer. So for example, I might post part 1 in my regular public channel, and then I'll have part 2 for my members only. So make sure you get the $2.99 subscription, because trust me, you're going to enjoy it, because I'm going to have a lot more videos. So this video, guys, is going to be about the product that I'm currently using on my hair. So I decided to go back to loose natural. And so I don't know if you guys have seen my videos of my hair blown out. I used a hair dryer and I blew my hair out. And I was going to rock it in the Afro natural state. But as hot as it is over here in my city or my state, I was like, yeah, that's not going to work. So, and I didn't want to go back and get my hair braided again. And I didn't want anything that was weighing my hair down. I just needed to take at least a break for like the next 30 days. So what I decided to do is put my hair in like little braids. So this is what it's looking like right now. See, it shakes. Chicka, 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 chicka. So this is what it's looking like right now. And I love the fact that I can just be free and just move around. So when I go outside and run errands, I'm hot. My hair is not like irritating me. So this is perfect. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys 2 products that I swear by. And I'm going to go back to the beauty supply store and I'm going to buy them out. No, I'm just playing. I'm just going to keep buying them every time I run out. But these 2 products right here. So see how my hair is sticking up? Kind of like, sticking out like that. So in order to get it to lay flat and to moisturize it every day, I put this product right here. Trying to do a picture. So in order to get it to lay flat, I use this stuff right here. So when you first buy it, it looks like it's not mixed properly. It'll have like, clear water on the top, and then it'll have like an orange substance on the bottom. And then it says to activate, it says shake to activate. You see that? Shake to activate. So what I do is I shake it. I already shook it before I brought it out here. And then I just spray it all over my hair. And you guys, it feels so good. And I like how it sprays. It covers everything. I literally just spray it all over. So it's like they call it a argan oil. It's organic argan oil, 100%. It's made by Cream of Nature. See it? And it says Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. And I don't know how much I bought it for. I forgot. But I don't think it was more than $6. $6 or $7, maybe more. It might have been no more than 10. No more than 10. So I sprayed that in my hair generously. Because the one thing I've known from when I was back when I was loose natural, is that moisture, like moisturizing your hair, is good. You don't want to put too much, but it's good for your hair. Oh my God, I think my baby's waking up. Oh no. Let me go give her her bottle. I'll be right back. Mama. Mama. Here. There you go. I'm going to turn up the TV a little bit. So you might hear Coco Melon in the background. Hopefully you can't hear it. So I think that's a bit loud. Let me turn it down. Okay. I have it on volume 5. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I sprayed this in my hair and it feels so good. Like you can see, I came back. And then another thing is I like the way it smells. Now, if you're real sensitive with smell, you might not like the way it smells, but I like the way it smells. Argan Oil has this unique smell to their product, and I really like it. It almost smells like a perfume, but not a strong one, like a light perfume. So that's what I put in my hair to try to get it to lay. Now, the other product that I use on my hair is Cream of Nature. So they're both made by the same company, Cream of Nature, but this is Argan Oil from Morocco Cream of Nature, and this is just regular Cream of Nature. So let me do my little profile picture. Okay, sorry guys. So I like to use this mango and shea butter. When I tell you, and it says ultra moisturizing, English, ultra moisture, English. Let me start over. Ultra moisturizing leave-in conditioner. Jesus Christ, you would think I didn't go to school. For dehydrated hair. My hair is really dry. Ever since I took my lock extension out, my hair is really, really dry. And it's mango and shea butter. Now, if you want to look at the ingredients, it claims that the ingredients are aqua, water, petroleum, glycerol, stearate, a whole bunch of stuff. I see shea butter in here. I see seed butter. I see a whole bunch of healthy stuff. So, but I just got it because it says leave-in conditioner, shea butter, moisturizer. So it's mango and shea butter, by the way. So I like to put a good amount in my hair and I just rub it together and I just run it through my hair. Now, I did use this when I was blow drying my hair. And when I tell you it made my life so easy when I was blow drying, it was perfect. Let me turn around. And it adds shine and moisture to your hair. Hopefully you guys can see it. I'm just trying to make sure I get it everywhere. So I do that. And then I have one more thing that I add. I gotta hurry up because I don't want this video to be more than 10 minutes. So the last thing that I add is my oil. I am going to start selling it again. I'm also going to make sure I put it on TikTok so that way people can buy it. So this is the oil. This is my my hair grow oil. I named it Nubian Chi Hair Grow Oil. So I'm going to put a good amount. I got to get some more stickers. My dog wants to go outside. So this is my hand. And I'm just going to run it through my hair. Mostly on my scalp. Because the whole point is for growth, right? And your hair grows from your scalp. So I try to rub it in my scalp. You see why this hairstyle is so convenient for me? So now remember when I first started off, my hair was sticking up a bit. It wasn't laying it wasn't laying well. It was just like, it looked like I just woke up. So some people call it bed hair. Sorry, I'm just trying to get all the oil in there. Some people call it bed hair. So that's what I do now. And my hair still. My hair still shakes. So that's what I did to get my hair moisturized. So right now my hair is laying a little bit better. I'm liking it. And this is literally how I go out every day. But what I do is I do my edges. So once I clean up my edges, it looks really, really good. So this is the hairstyle that I'm rocking for now. And this is my hair. There's no extensions. There's no locks extension. There's no braids as far as fake hair. It's just my hair. So hopefully you guys can see it. I'm trying to show you what my hair looks like. So yeah, so this is the hairstyle that I'm rocking right now. But I just had to come on here and share these 2 secrets with you guys. This is really good to moisturize dry hair. I have 4B, 4C natural kinky hair. And this is what I use to moisturize my hair. So make sure you guys go get it. It's at the beauty supply store. Like I said, it's Cream of Nature brand. But this one is the Argan Oil Morocco Leave-In Strength and Shine Conditioner. And then this one is just the leave-in conditioner, but it's the mango and shea butter. And it's just Cream of Nature. It's not the Morocco, it's not the Argan Oil Morocco brand, but they're both Cream of Nature. So make sure you go get it, guys. You will love it and thank me later. So I want to go ahead and end this video. I don't want it to be too long. Make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to get your subscription for $2.99. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.